respected principal sir, parents, teachers and dear friends. Today is a very special day, 15th December, the foundation day of Keindriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, a day that reminds us of our rich legacy, our achievements and the strong values we stand for. Before we begin, I would like to share something close to our hearts. In our Vidyalaya, we have a unique and joyful best practice, My School, My KVS, a journey of Kenyan pride and purpose. These small episodes were conceptualized by our respected principal sir to help us learn, communicate and grow with confidence during the morning assembly. And today, we present a special extended episode as a tribute to KVS and its glorious journey.
So Davish, shall we begin?
Of course, friends, imagine the early years of independent India. Central government employees, especially defense and paramilitary persons, were transferred from one state to another every year. Their children had to change schools again and again. Learning suffered and dreams shattered.
And a solution to this, in year 1962 to 63, the Second Central Pay Commission recommended a new system of schooling.
That's how, on 15 December 1963, the seeds of KVS were planted with 20 regimental schools taken over from Army, Navy and Air Force.
And 2 years later, 15 December 1965, KVS was officially registered as society under the Society Registration Act 21 of 1860.
That is why today, 15 December, we celebrate this day as KVS Foundation Day.
Chitranj, KVS has changed its logo 3 times. Could you tell us why?
Yes, our logos tell the story of our growth. Our first logo, from 1963 to 2008, a simple rising sun, symbol of hope and knowledge. Our second logo, from 2008 till 2013, the rising sun with an open book, symbol of expansion and enlightenment. And our third logo, from 2013 till date, launched during the Golden Jubilee, it includes the rising sun, open book, flying birds, tricolor, and a Sanskrit motto, Tattvam Pushan Apavino, meaning, O Lord, remove the veil so that the truth may be seen.
Now, Rajanya, from this 20 school in 1963, how does KVS form into such a huge family?
With vision and a strong belief that every child in India deserves to have quality education. So let's look at some important milestones in this inspiring journey. The first Keindriya Vidyalaya was established in 1964 in Patong, Kerala. This marked the beginning of a network of schools. 1972, KVS crossed 100 schools. 1986, KVS reached 500 schools. 2003, a proud movement. The 1000 KV was inaugurated at Anantnag, Jammu and Kashmir. 2013, the Golden Jubilee year and the launch of our new and beautiful KVS logo. 2023, the Diamond Jubilee year. 2022 to 2025, the PhD schemes. And today, December 2025, there are overall 1,288 Keindriya Vidyalayas with 25 regions across India, 3 schools abroad, Moscow, Kathmandu and Tehran. Around 30.62 lakh students and around 15,000 dedicated teachers.
From 20 to begin with, Ria, KVS is such a huge family. How does everything run so smoothly?
That's the beauty of KVS Village. Keindriya Vidyalaya has a strong and well-connected organizational structure. The Sangathan has 3-tier management structure, which includes its headquarters in New Delhi, regional offices, and Keindriya Vidyalayas spread all over the country and abroad, each having its own Vidyalaya management committee. So, let me explain it step by step. At the top, we have our KVS headquarters in New Delhi. Here, the entire system is guided by our Chairman, Honorable Education Minister Shri Dharmendra Pradhan and Honorable Commissioner Shri Vikas Gupta, IAS, who leads all the administrative and academic work. They are also supported by 2 additional commissioners, 4 deputy commissioners and 5 joint commissioners, along with Markhud, comes under KVS Mumbai region, and the Deputy Commissioner of our region is Honorable Shri Binod Kumar Behra. He guides and supports all the KVS in the Mumbai region.
And at the school level?
At the school level, a principal heads the school, and the Vidyalaya Management Committee, that is VMC, helps to manage, monitor and support all the important activities. In our PMC KV Mankur, the chairman VMC is Honorable Shri Anshul Kishore, Commanding Officer INS Tanaji. The VMC includes parents, teachers, local members and staff.
What do they do?
So, there are 5 ZEEPs in India. They provide training, mentorship, workshops and professional development to all KVS teachers.
Wow, now I understand.
Other tinkering labs,
Inspire Awards,
Jigyasa,
National Children's Science Congress,
Youth Parliament,
NCC Scouting Guides,
Common Minimum Program for Joyful Primary Learning.
and many more.
These programs don't just teach us, they transform us.
Very true, Viresh. So, our KVS journey is guided by the melodious KVS prayer, Asto Ma Sadgamaya, Tamso Ma Jyotirgamaya, which means lead us from untruth to truth, from darkness to light. And the beautiful KVS song, Bharat Ka Swarnim Gaurav, Kendriya Vidyalaya Layega.
Now, Rajanya, what makes our school shine?
A lot, such as it's a PMC school, implementing NEP with full sincerity. It has Jagat Pitara for play-based learning, Nipur Bharat Mission, FLM. It follows Bala, which means learning through walls, floors and stairs. It follows field visits, experimental learning and the most important, the morning assembly episode, one of the best practices of our Vidyalaya. And today, we feel honored as our chief guest inaugurated the brand new vocational lab of our Vidyalaya.
Thank you. Now, Preeti, before we continue, please look at me.
Darling.